Resellers, I want to share with you the newest, coolest thing that I have added to my best value bundle. If you don't know what that is, it's my everything. So it's all 4 of my courses that I've created you get in the best value bundle, plus all of the digital downloads I've ever created and ever will create in the future. And I've just added something new that's a complete game changer. Let me show you. I took this listing from this to this. I also added all of these keywords in a matter of seconds without having to do basically anything. I took this listing from this to this and added all of these, all of these I can't get it fast, but this whole entire paragraph right here of keywords in a matter of seconds. I took this listing from this to this. That just took a minute to generate, and then I added all of these keywords here in a matter of seconds. And then I took this skirt from this to this. And the photos take about a minute or so to generate, and the keyword blurbs take literally 2 seconds to generate. But I have 2 ChatGPT prompts that I created and tested and tested and tested and tweaked until they were perfect. They have been working perfect in my reselling business. It adds so many keywords that can get you pulled into more searches to help you sell your items faster. And these take your photos, put them on a model, and make them look amazing in just a matter of moments. So I added a whole new digital download to my best value bundle, and with it I even did a couple of videos just to show you how to use each prompt so that you would know exactly what to do. So I did a video for the keyword blurb prompt, and I did a video for the image generator prompt, and those are linked in the digital download. So you can't get them anywhere else. They're not going to be on my channel. This is something specifically going into the best value bundle. In fact, it's already there. So if you have purchased the best value bundle in the past, you have access to it right now. All you have to do is go into the Rebecca the Reseller Academy, access your best value bundle, get into that drive, and it will be there for you. It's in a folder called AI ChatGPT prompts or something, and it's there and you can use it immediately. So if you've already bought it, thank you so much. It's there for you now. If you haven't bought it yet, I would advise you to go ahead and do it now, because in 2026, I'm going to be raising the price of the best value bundle, because I plan on adding more and more and more digital downloads and tools for your reselling business. So right now, the best value bundle is only $20. For that $20, you get all of this. You get any new digital downloads that I add. So I just added the AI ChatGPT prompt. Previously, I had added these items. The original documents were like my keywords list, my sales phrases guide, my DIY Poshmark closet review, my VA hiring bundle. So all of my listing forms, measurements forms, all of that. So all of those were in there. I added some new things a while back. I just recently added something else that is there for you now. And if you want to get it, it's only $20. Plus, it comes with all 4 of my courses, which is the Mercari Club, the how to sell reseller boxes without a social media following, the Scale Up with Poshmark Boutique, and also the Poshmark 30-day reboot. So all of those courses come with it as well. So for $20, you get all of that. In 2026, I will be raising the price to $25. So if you want to lock in that savings, go ahead and get it now at the Rebecca the Reseller Academy.